In this video, I'll navigate you through the steps to update Roblox on PC. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Sometimes, updating your Roblox app is necessary. Updating Roblox on PC ensures you have the latest features, bug fixes, and security improvements. It also helps prevent compatibility issues with games and other users. To begin, open the settings on your PC or laptop. You can easily access this by clicking on the Start menu and typing Settings into the search bar. Once the Settings window appears, look for the left-hand panel, and from the options available, click on Apps. In the Apps section, select Installed Apps to see a list of all the programs installed on your system. You can search for Roblox by typing it into the search bar at the top of the window. When you find the Roblox Player app, click on the three dots next to it. This will open a small menu, and from this menu, select the Uninstall option. The uninstallation process will begin, and depending on your system, this may take a few moments to complete. Once Roblox has been uninstalled, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Roblox homepage. On the site, you'll notice that when you try to play any game, you'll be prompted to download and install Roblox. Simply click on the Download button that appears on the page to start the download process. After the download finishes, run the installer to begin installing Roblox on your system. The installation process should only take a few minutes. Once it's complete, the Roblox app homepage will open on your screen. At this point, you'll be able to play any game available on Roblox. With the installation process finished, you'll now have the most up-to-date version of the app ready for use. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.